Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So, the natural commentary of Vedanta Sutra is Srimad Bhagavad. Jivasya tattva jigyasa. Jivasya tattva jigyasa. This is our life. Jivasya of every living being. Every living means especially human being. Because cats and dogs, they cannot inquire about Brahma or the Absolute Truth. Therefore, the conclusion is that the human form of life, one should not be engaged simply in the animal propensities of life. That is simply waste of time. He must inquire of the Absolute Truth, Athata Brahma Jigyasa. And he must try to understand Tadvidhi, Tattvadarshi, from the Tattvadarshi, Jnanina, Tattvadarshina, these are the words. So, in the human form of life, therefore, in every society, the system is that the children are sent to schools, colleges, to understand things. Similarly, for spiritual understanding, Tadvijnanatham sa gurumeva avigachet. Avigachet means one must. There is no alternative. One cannot say, I may not go. No. If you do not go, then you are cheated. That is our Vaishnava system. Ado Gurvashram. The first thing is to take shelter of the bona fide spiritual master. Ado Gurvashram. Sadharma Priksha. Not that as it has become a system, I make a guru. Now my business is finished. I have got a guru. No. Tattva Jigyasa. Jivasya Tattva Jigyasa. Guru means, to accept Guru means to inquire from him about the Absolute Truth. Jigyasu Shreya Uttamam. These are the Vedic injunctions. One who is Jigyasu means inquisitive. Jigyasu Shreya Uttamam. Shreya means beneficial. So Uttamam, the prime benefit. One who is inquisitive to know about the prime benefit of life. First thing, there is need of accepting a guru. Tasmad gurum prapadvita jigyasu shreya uttamam sabdeta pareta nisnatam brahmani tumusmatam. So, this is our Krishna consciousness movement. We are trying to educate people to understand the value of life, the value of spiritual life, especially Bhagavad, Dharmana Bhagavatani. So, by understanding spiritual life, by understanding one's actual constitutional position, he may be enlightened. What is the end of life? What is the duty of life? What is the purpose of life? That is Krishna consciousness movement. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna,